How to reboot-restart your VPS using SolusVM. You can reboot your VPS via the SolusVM or command line. I will explain both one by one. Log into your SolusVM control panel. There is more than one server. Click to select the server you want to reboot. Click to start the reboot of the VPS. It will take a few seconds to complete the reboot process. We have rebooted the server. Click OK. We can reboot our VPS via command line also. It is a better method for rebooting. Unlike the previous method, it first stops all the processes and then starts the reboot. Log into the SSH client you have. In this tutorial, we are using PuTTY. Enter the command shutdown --r now and press Enter button. Click OK. We have successfully rebooted the server. Thank you for watching.